Hey, greetings everyone. This is Tony Holowitz. Thank you for being here for this quick video about Microsoft Excel. So, a lot of times when I work with people in Excel, I always suggest this. If you think there's got to be an easier way, generally there is. And I want to show you a few examples of that. So, when you're working with dates in Microsoft Excel, let's say you're trying to fill out a spreadsheet and you want to put some dates in there. I'm going to show you a few different ways you can work with dates to make life easier. The first one is here I have a simple date, 1/1/2026. I'm going to click in that cell. I'm going to go to the little square in the bottom right-hand corner, and I'm going to drag down, and you'll see what it's doing is counting out the days. Now, if I want to keep going, I could just drag it way down off the screen. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do that. I'm going to go down roughly 365 days, 366, and there we go. We get all the way to 12/31/2026. I'm going to zoom back to the top. The keyboard shortcut to do that, to get back to cell A1 is Control Home. So I'm going to hold the Control key down and hit Home. Took me back to cell A1. But how about the days? I'm going to click on Monday. I'm going to drag down. And now all of a sudden we have a week laid out. And you'll notice that after we get to Sunday, it puts Monday in next. How about months? Same idea. I'm going to come down and drag down months. And again, we go through all 12 months and then it starts to repeat itself. So one of the reasons I like this example in teaching is because when you start to see certain patterns develop like this with dates, something we all use, then you start thinking in other ways, how can I use other patterns? Let me show you just a quick example of that. Let's say you need the day let's say you have a 7-day count. So in other words, here's 1/1/2026, 1/8. I'm going to click and hold, drag down to the next day, the 8th. So we have a 7-day gap. I'm going to come here, click on that little square. I get a skinny black plus sign. I'm just going to drag down. And you'll see is what it does is it counts out the date every 7 days. So 1/1, 1/8, 1/15, 1/22, and so on. The further you drag down, the easier it is to work with. So these are just a couple simple tricks in working with dates in Microsoft Excel. I hope you find this useful. If nothing else, I hope it makes you think twice before you start typing in a lot of data. Always think in your mind, there's got to be an easier way. Okay, my friends, you have a great day. Thank you very much. Bye now.